Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade level 1 second catalog last lab, that is use codes to work with Google Cloud database or data services. Okay, so before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of all the previous lab. जितनी पिछली lab हैं सबके solution upload हो चुके हैं. That you can access by clicking on the I button of the video. जैसे आप वीडियो के I button पे click करेंगे आपको सारे lab के solution मिल जाएंगे. Okay, now without wasting time, start this lab. Click on this, wait for the page to be loaded up, and while the lab is opening, what you can do, simply go to the description of this video. आपको वीडियो के description में जाना है. There you will find a download link of this text file or the code file, and you need to download that file and open it with the notepad. Okay, आपको notepad के साथ इस फाइल को open कर लेना है. This code is necessary to complete this lab shortly or in the quick way. Okay, so now once you are done with this, simply come back to the lab, click on the start lab button, wait for the credentials to be arrived or the appear, because credentials are required to log in into Google Cloud Console. Okay, now simply right click upon open Google Cloud Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. Okay, so incognito mode में ही इसे open करना है, and you are aware that the email ID will be automatically pasted up. Email ID automatically paste होती है. So simply click on the next button. We need the password. So for the password, simply come back to the lab. पासवर्ड के लिए हम वापस अपने लैब पे आएंगे. कॉपी द पासवर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. दिस इज द पासवर्ड. कम बैक टू द कंसोल. आई एम ट्राइंग, यस, हियर. So paste the password here. Click on the next button, and we get logged in into our Google Cloud Console. Okay, a welcome message will arise. Click on the I understand button. It's a welcome message. After that, we need to accept some terms and conditions. Okay, a pop-up will arise on your screen that you need to accept. Click on this checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now this is the basic setup that we need to done. Okay, so we are good to go now. Click on this activate Cloud Shell button on the top right icon, so we can run our command in the Cloud Shell. And while it's loading, what you can do, simply come back to this notepad file that you download from the description box. Then copy the all the commands from this task number 3. Okay, copy it very carefully. Don't copy any extra command. Copy it. Come back to it, click on this continue button. It's basically establishing the connection with the Cloud Shell. Wait for it to get activated. Then click on this got it button, and we are in our terminal. Okay, so what you need to do, simply you need to paste the code that you just copied from the code file and hit enter button. It will ask you for the authorization. Click on the authorize button. Now this will take around couple of minutes to execute. In that time, what you need to do, click on this plus button, plus icon. Wait for it to get loaded, and after that click on this web preview. And from here click on preview on port 8080. Okay, it will open a new tab for you, and you will see some result here. Wait for it to get loaded, and you can see this is the result that it will show. Don't worry. Now what you need to do, see very carefully, pay the attention, hover upon this URL, and from this question mark remove whatever the further link. Select it very carefully from this question mark and remove the link, and now copy this whole remaining link. आपको इस remaining link को copy करना है. आपको ध्यान से कॉपी करना है. मेक श्योर यू डोंट डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग इन दिस स्टेप. इट्स अ वेरी क्रूशियल स्टेप. कॉपी इट, कम बैक टू द नोटपैड फाइल, ओपन द नोटपैड फाइल actually, and scroll down a little bit, and in the task number 5 on the line number 3 or the command number 3, you will see replace with web preview URL. You need to replace the whole thing here with the preview URL that you just copied. Okay, paste the URL that you just copied, paste it here. After that, what we need to do, simply copy these 3 commands. Copy it very carefully from the task number 5. Copy it, come back to the console, click on this dashboard, and paste the command that you just copied here under the second tab. Okay, hit enter button, wait for this command to get execute, and it will provide you a new URL. Okay, this is the URL that we are talking about, and this one. Okay, so we need to click on this URL, click on this, it will open it in the new tab, and again you will see the same message. Wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, we are done with this. Come back to here. Now yes, come back to this tab again and copy this whole URL that we just opened right now. Copy this whole URL, come back to the notepad file, and below this task number 5, give some press some enter keys to give some space. Then paste the URL that we just copied, paste it here, and go to this FS. We need to replace this with the BQ. Select it very carefully. Replace this FS with the BQ. Let me zoom it a little bit. Replace this FS with the BQ. Okay. Now come back to the lab once again. Scroll down to the task number 5. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Yes, keep scrolling. Yes, here. We just replace the FS with the BQ. Now what we need to do, we need to replace the symbols, product and symbol with public views to this default. Okay, copy it very carefully from the public views to the default. Copy it very carefully, make sure there would be no extra spacing. Now select this symbols, product and symbol, remove this whole, and paste the code that we just copied, paste it here. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to simply copy this whole command, copy it, and simply come back to the shell here and click on this plus button. It's we are under the incognito mode, okay, and paste the command that we just copied or the URL that we just copied and hit enter button and wait for the result. It will take couple of seconds, wait for it, and make sure your data will look like this. The page will look like this. After you see the result like this, simply come back to the lab, scroll down a little bit, click on the check my progress, and you will get that green tick for the task number 5th. Okay, if in any case if you don't get the green tick in the first attempt, then don't worry, try to 2 to 3 टाइम to click on the check my progress till you get the green tick, and make sure आप 1 से 2 मिनट का इंतजार करके फिर check my progress पे क्लिक करें, आपको डेफिनेटली ग्रीन टिक मिल जाएगा अगर आपने सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो किए ठीक से. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट सिंपली कम बैक टू द नोटपैड फाइल, स्क्रॉल डाउन लिटिल बिट एंड कॉपी ऑल दिस कमांड from export to quotes, copy it very carefully, come back to the shell or the terminal of the dashboard and open a new terminal by clicking on this plus button, open it and paste the command that we just copied from the notepad file, paste it here and hit enter button. Now wait for this command to get execute. Once this command get execute completely, we will be done with the lab. हमारे जैसे command execute हो जाएगा, हमारी lab भी complete हो जाएगी. Okay, so wait for it to get execute first. In that time, what you can do, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and simply sit back and relax. Okay, so as you can see, our command is executed successfully. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's completed, simply come back to your lab, scroll up and make sure you click on the check my progress for every task and you get the green tick for every single task. Click on the check my progress till you get the green tick. Make sure you can see we get the green tick. Scroll up, keep scrolling, find the check my progress and click on the check my progress. Keep scrolling. Okay, so we don't have any check my progress for task number 1, 2 or 3. So simply scroll down. एक बार हम क्रॉस चेक करेंगे कोई हमारा check my progress remaining तो नहीं रह गया. Scroll down, keep scrolling and let me check for this task number 6. Scroll down, yes, here is the check my progress in the task number 6. Click on the check my progress and you will get the green tick for this one also. Scroll down and with this keep scrolling, click on the check my progress and this is the last one. Okay, and I am sure you will get the green tick for this one also. Once you get the green tick for all the check my progress, you are good to go. Congratulations, your lab is now completed. Click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. Also you can leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button. Now come back to the main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Main page पे आएंगे चेक करने के लिए ग्रीन टिक मिला है या फिर नहीं. ओके, सो वेट करते हैं, स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे, कैटलॉग को ओपन करेंगे, हमारे सेकंड मॉड्यूल को स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.